So welcome to the Easy Resume Builder. When you first visit this website, on the right you will see a video on how to fill up the fields, and on the left is a quick overview of what resume is. This website is created by me to help people build their resume online, and at the same time learn some online skills like maybe web development skills, a little bit of it, and also to make their resume stands out, right? So what I want to do is the first thing you want to do is basically click on the start now. All this interface might change, so without further ado, just click on start. So the first thing they will ask you to do is to select a headshot photo. It has to be a square, so just open a square headshot photo of you. And then enter your full name. It can be, maybe your name is Fred or George. Right, this may not be the real name, but yeah, this is an example. So brief description of yourself, maybe try to make it interesting. Maybe I am a copywriter or a writer in some company, and have been working for many years, right? Of course, make it more interesting than this. This is just an example. Then upload your resume. I don't have a real resume, so I just use any files, PDF files. Then click on next. Write something about yourself, your passion. I like to dance and sing. Just write something about yourself, your passion. Maybe you have passion in nurturing others, providing help and stuff like that. So for the interest of time, I'll just paste a big text here. You notice there are a gray background, so what you can do is go here and transparent it, remove the background. You can use all this tool, like it's called What You See Is What You Get, or WYSIWYG, and start bolding things, or maybe highlight certain text, or even underline text. Yeah, you can add a link here as well if you want to. So once you're done with that, just click on next, and then enter your educational background. So maybe you just name your school name. Maybe you took a course in creative writing. Start date to end date. Right, so just write something here. Once you're done, click on next. Then it will ask of your work experience. So write 1 or 2 lines here. Maybe you work in that and this company. So for the interest of time, I'll just copy the text here, paste it here. Then company name, you can just put company name 1. Your position, maybe you are an executive. Maybe it's your first job, So the responsibilities, responsibilities, maybe a C's manager or finance or any. This is just an example, right? So click next, enter your skills. Maybe you are a writer. You want to specify your language. Then maybe you are also a web designer. And fill up all that is that you have, and then click on next. So here you can write your achievements. Maybe you took a course in advertising or something like that. Then you got a mini cert or a certification of participation. Or even if you don't have all that, you can just write your personal portfolio or even your school experience. Maybe you are a leader, you lead a certain event or something like that. So again, for the interest of time, I will just copy and paste the text here to here and remove the background. Right, you can also have more paragraph if you want to. 1, 2. Right, so you can highlight it, underline it, and so on. So click on next. Now basically just enter your mobile number. Right, so this is just an example. Then your Facebook profile, your LinkedIn, and your WhatsApp. So to do this, the WhatsApp link, you just go to here. Then this page will appear. Just create WhatsApp link, enter your number, then enter the personalized message. Maybe you want to say hi, your name, Fred. I saw your resume online and I would like to arrange an interview with you. So just preview and click on generate the link. Alright, so what you want here is to copy this, but you want it with the HTTPS. So click on copy link address, go back here and paste it. So that'll be HTTPS semicolon dash slash slash and then this. Right, click on next, enter your name, just make it one word. Then maybe you want to put your name as you can put your name as your Halim, or you can put something your real name, George or Freddy. And then enter your resume, your email address. So click on generate. So once you click on generate, you will generate this it will load this page with a download button. So just click on download, just save your resume somewhere, and when you open this resume, you will see exactly what you have written, right? So what you want to do is actually to upload the resume online, so that you can show if someone goes to your website, then they will see your resume, right? So to do that, there's two ways. One way is to just get a domain and then let me host it for you, right? So the other one is to buy a domain and a hosting and to fully host by yourself, which is actually much more recommended. But if you are on a budget, or you do not want to spend more money on the hosting, then just get this version. So for the first version, it's just domain only. All you need to do is just buy a domain, then point to this address, to this link, right? So there's also some recommended domain for you depending on what you write for your name. Then just add resume at the back. So let's say you like this, so you click it, then it will just bring you to a name registrar. where it will check for you if the domain is available. So if it's available, it says available, and you can add to cart, then continue to cart, and then make the purchase. So to do all the purchasing or registering of domain, you can actually go to this video and it will teach you how to do it. Alright, this is another video. And let's say you don't like all this name, maybe you can just find resume, something like that, .com, and search if it's available. So it's taken. Alternatively, you can also check from here, maybe super resume, it's also taken. So depending on your name, if your name is Freddy, then just put Freddy resume. Yep. So that's all I'm gonna share with you today. Like I say, if you want to do the other version, then you'll have to watch the video. So thank you for watching. See you again next time.